iList Flipper Review. Still struggling to get good leads consistently? How about traffic? Create unlimited ChatGPT-powered, fully monetized, profitable Flipbooks in 60 SEC. That generates thousands of clicks and leads without writing, coding, design or budget. Copy the same strategy that big corporates, online business, authors have been using to driving millions of new buyers every month. Skeptical? Watch video below for real proofs. Check the link below in description box and comments for full video. Limited time commercial license included. Price goes up drastically soon. Groundbreaking AI tech creates 100 seconds of engaging, memorable flipbooks with auto lead generation plus fully monetized system. Use ChatGPT's and OpenAI algorithm to write unique flipbooks in just few clicks. No more writing, researching or wasting time. Build trust, connection and a strong following with interactive, fun and converting elements. Repurpose old nasty content nobody wants into an exciting lead-generating and money-making flipbooks in one click. Easily monetize your flipbooks in multiple ways, from affiliate marketing, CPA offers, e-com products, freelancing gigs and more. Build powerful automated lead generation system and follow-up sequence, profit from every single flipbook you create. No coding, no experience and no recurring fees whatsoever needed to make this work. Low one-time price during launch period. Commercial license allowing you to resell these flipbooks for high profits. Ready for massive traffic and leads? Start here. Free commercial license plus low one-time price and soon. Click here to get your copy now. Skyrocket your traffic, leads and sales is as easy as 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select from our 7+ sources to create content for your flipbook or let ChatGPT OpenAI write unique content for you in few clicks. Step 2. Our AI will then convert it into beautiful and interactive flipbook. Add images, videos, links, call to actions, opt-in forms and more for maximum engagement. Step 3. Share anywhere you want, website, social media, email or anywhere else and instantly skyrocket your leads and sales. Today, I'm going to show you how to create traffic-getting, money-making flipbooks in less than 60 seconds and explode your traffic even if you're just getting started. With our Secret Success Accelerator training. Introducing iList Flipper. With iList Flipper you can explode your traffic, leads and sales by creating and publishing up to hundreds of unique flipbooks per minute on complete autopilot. And all it takes is just 3 simple steps. And less than 60 seconds to create traffic and sales getting flipbooks. Step 1. Select from our 7+ sources to create content for your flipbook or let ChatGPT OpenAI write unique content for you in few clicks. Step 2. Our AI will then convert it into beautiful and interactive flipbook. Add images, videos, links, call to actions, opt-in forms and more for maximum engagement. Step 3. Share anywhere you want, website, social media, email or anywhere else and instantly skyrocket your leads and sales. Each flipbook you create will be filled with your branding, monetization methods, an easy and automated lead general system to get email subscribers, and follow-up sequences to convert those subscribers into buyers automatically. No more struggling to get good leads. No more manual work and expensive designers. Just 3 simple steps and you will have traffic, leads, and sales coming in consistently, every single day. Get access to our step-by-steps Success Accelerator training. With our Success Accelerator training, you'll be able to get as much traffic as you want to your flipbooks. This is the exact traffic and email marketing training that I used to take my business from $0 to $1,000 a day. You also get my exact case studies that show you step by step how I generated 100 seconds of thousands of dollars in sales with email marketing. With this software and training, you'll have everything you need to build a hugely successful online business. Why iList Flipper? Check out these cutting-edge features. Only iList Flipper has 100% cloud-based software. There is no need for you to install anything. Just sign up and you can access our software from anywhere on Earth. As long as there is an internet connection available, you are good to go. 7 unique ways to create flipbooks. With iList Flipper you can create flipbooks 7 different ways. You have the power to decide between creating flipbooks from scratch, using existing PDFs and books, or even using existing articles that are readily available in our database. Create flipbooks with ChatGPT and OpenAI without writing a single word. You can create flipbooks with our amazing ChatGPT-powered algorithm in just one click. No writing, no coding, no creating content from scratch. Just type the topic and let ChatGPT do the rest. Done for you professional flipbook templates. You don't even have to create your own flipbooks from scratch. We offer professionally designed, high-converting templates that you can use with a few clicks. Just select the template you want, customize it and hit publish. It's that simple. Customize design and layout in seconds using our visual designer. Choose from different design options, adjust colors, size of your flipbook to make it look exactly like you want it. Add texts, images, hyperlinks, videos, and more with a few clicks. Also customize your headers, footers, background images, logos and more. Keep your brand identity consistent without spending a single dime. Auto Lead General. System built-in. iList Flipper automatically captures leads as soon as they access your flipbook, giving you the power to quickly and easily build an email list of hot leads interested in what you have to offer. Or lock part of your flipbook content and make people subscribe to get full access. Monetize and share your flipbook in one click. iList Flipper also allows you to monetize your flipbooks with just one click. You can add affiliate links, ads, and even link to your own products or services from your flipbooks. Once you're ready, just hit the Publish button, generate your embed code and share it anywhere you want. Create stunning flipbook covers that grab attention immediately. You can also create stunning flipbook covers in just one click with our pre-made, eye-catching graphics. You don't need any design skills or expensive designers to make your flipbook stand out from the crowd. Just drag and drop your assets, add text and hit publish. Collect leads with ease and integrate into your favorite autoresponder. Build and grow your lists without worrying. You can keep up to 25,000 leads in your account without having to pay a single dime extra. Which is more than enough to make thousands of dollars in profit. Or you can directly integrate your favorite autoresponder and send leads there. Automatic mailer and a done-for-you sequence to make commissions from every flipbook you create. iList Flipper comes with an auto mailer feature which allows you to send emails to subscribers in your list. You can broadcast emails to everyone in your list or send automated emails with our pre-made sequences. One-click social sharing to get more traffic and leads. With iList Flipper, you can instantly share your flipbooks to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest and more. With just one click you can get hundreds of visitors to your flipbooks and start collecting leads immediately. Or go viral and get thousands of visitors and leads with just one click. A massive library of over 50,000 ready-to monetize books. In the library, you'll find over 50,000 ready-to-publish books and articles. Pick any one you want and turn it into an interactive flipbook in just one click. Everything is pre-monetized with our Auto Lead General system built in. Over 1 million articles inbuilt for you to create flipbooks instantly. You don't even have to search for content. We have over 1 million articles in our database that you can use to create your own flipbook. All you need to do is type in your keyword, pick the article you want, edit it and hit publish. It's that simple. Why List Flipper? Here are the major benefits you will get from List Flipper. Breakthrough OpenAI and ChatGPT powered algorithm to dominate any niche. Massive opportunity with this totally untapped and secret tech. Save time and money with our proven system. Generate 1,000s of pre-qualified buyers leads and 10x your profits. Save thousands of dollars per year on autoresponders. Get results in as little as hours from now. Super simple to use, no tech skills or experience needed. Free updates and forever. 24x7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed. Limited time. Fast action bonuses. But I am not stopping with just this, because I want you to succeed with your online business. Therefore, I am going to help you out even more by offering 10 additional bonuses that can help increase your results. Fast action bonus #1. Commercial license. Monetize your flipbooks even further by selling them as a service on sites like Fiverr. While other designers will charge an arm and a leg to cover their work time, you can charge twice as little and still profit big time, with just a few clicks. Fast action bonus #2. 10 million articles built in various niches. If you have absolutely no idea how to create a flipbook, just grab a few of our articles built into the system and turn them into one flipbook. The end result will be a smooth, monetized and professional flipbook. Fast action bonus #3. 600 plus 3D cover designs. Each design is unique, high converting and based on a proven psychological template that's been working for us for years. Fast action bonus #4. Success Accelerator Training. Here is the exact traffic training that I used to take my business from $0 to $1,000 day. You also get my exact case studies that show you step by step how I generated 100 seconds of thousands of dollars in sales with email marketing. With this software and training, you'll have everything you need to build a hugely successful online business. Fast action bonus #5. Influencer Secrets. Learn how to become a successful influencer and charge huge amounts of money per post. Follow the exact steps and system other successful influencers have followed and copy it. Fast action bonus #6. Free Facebook Traffic Strategies. To successfully drive free traffic from Facebook, you have to know what works and what doesn't. Other marketers have tried driving free traffic from Facebook and failed. You will learn everything that you need to know to use the Facebook platform to generate free traffic. Fast action bonus #7. 100 autoresponder. Marketing emails. A complete done-for-you set of emails that you can use right away in your promotions. All you have to do is fill in the blanks. For someone without good writing skills, this email collection is a boom. Fast action bonus #8. Email marketing success. Learn how to create successful email marketing campaigns. Learn the secrets of building your email list. Discover how to write emails that will inspire your audience to take action. Figure out how to measure your results so you can optimize your strategy for the best results. Fast action bonus #9. Twitter success. If you're looking for a fairly automated way to build a brand online, you don't have to look further than Twitter. Learn how to use Twitter to build a following of targeted prospects that you can then market to over and over again. Fast action bonus #10. Business Amplified. Every successful business is based on the heavy-hitting strategies featured in this special report. Discover the fastest way to level up your business and unlock incredible revenue opportunities that are currently untapped. Learn how to quickly expand your outreach, build a massive customer base, and engage your audience in a way that will skyrocket your income and drive in more traffic than ever before. Today you can get access to IE List Flipper for a low one-time price of just premium. Free commercial license plus low one-time price. During launch period only, groundbreaking AI tech creates 100 seconds of engaging, memorable flipbooks with auto lead generation plus fully monetized system. Easily monetize your flipbooks in multiple ways, from affiliate marketing, CPA offers, e-com products, freelancing gigs and more. Build powerful automated lead generation system and follow-up sequence. Profit from every single flipbook you create. No coding, no experience and no recurring fees whatsoever needed to make this work. Done for you professional flipbook templates. Customize your flipbook design and layout in seconds using our visual designer. Create stunning flipbook covers that grab attention immediately. Monetize in one-click social sharing to get more traffic and leads. Collect leads with ease and integrate into your favorite autoresponder. Automatic mailer and a done-for-you sequence to make commissions. Massive library of over 50,000 ready-to-monetize books. 1 million articles built for you to create flipbooks instantly. Free updates and forever. Fast Action Bonus number 1 - Unlimited Commercial License. Fast Action Bonus number 2 - 10 million articles built in various niches. Fast Action Bonus number 3 - 600 plus 3D cover designs. Fast Action Bonus number 4 - Success Accelerator Training. Fast Action Bonus number 5 - Influencer Secrets. Fast Action Bonus number 6 - Free Facebook Traffic Strategies. Fast Action Bonus number 7 - 100 Autoresponder Marketing Emails. Fast Action Bonus number 8 - Email Marketing Success. Fast Action Bonus number 9 - Twitter Success. Fast Action Bonus number 10 - Business Amplified. Retail price $97 month. Or even more. But today you get everything. At just a low one-time payment. Special launch price. $47 $27 per month. Today only $37 one time. Get instant access now. There is no risk. You are covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied with your purchase within 30 days of buying IE List Flipper, we will refund 100% of your money, no questions asked. However, we are sure that you'll love IE List Flipper so much and see the value in it that you won't ask for a refund. Nothing could be more fair than that. It's really not complicated with IE List Flipper. So what say you? In or out? I think in. Free commercial license plus low one-time price and soon. Click here to get your copy now.